Hey, what's up? Rich Avery here, and I have an important message for you today. Your message matters. My friend Jonathan Milligan wrote a book entitled Your Message Matters, and I got a cool t shirt from him, and I got a cool copy of the book. Actually, I'm on his book launch team, and I was able to get a digital download of the book a few weeks ago and begin to read it myself and see the message that God had put inside of Jonathan to help other people get their messages out to the world. I also bought my own copy of the book on Amazon, and it'll be delivered to me this week because today is the book launch day on October 20th. But Jonathan was also kind enough to send me my own advanced copy in the mail, and I've got it right here in my hands. Jonathan was published by Baker Publishing, which is located just a few miles from where I live here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. So it did not take them long, or I'd have to send the book very far, for me to be able to get this advanced copy of the book. I've been waiting. I've been so excited for Jonathan and so excited about this book, and here it is. Looks strangely like the t-shirt. Your message matters. Jonathan details in the book how God births a message, inside each of us, and we all have a message to share. Maybe we have overcome some obstacles or pains or frustrations or discouragements in our life, and God can take those things and He can use those to bless other people. And often, we know we have a message inside of us, or maybe others have told us we have a message inside of us, but we don't know, well, how do I get that message out to the world? How do I put it together in such a way that others would be interested in hearing it and interested in paying money to hear it as well? And so Jonathan details in the book how you can become that kind of an influencer, how you can take the message that God has birthed inside of you, and through creating a blog or your own podcast, or maybe even writing your own book someday, he shows you step by step how to do that. But I also want to say something to those that maybe think, well, that's crazy, I could never do that, or I don't have a message inside of me that God wants to use to bless other people with. No one would want to hear what I have to say. Let me just encourage you that if you have been through some pain or frustration, maybe there's things you've overcome or things you've learned in your life, maybe you feel like you've just been in a mess and you're just barely getting through it on your own right now, I want to encourage you that God can take your mess and transform it into your message. That whatever we go through in our lives, good or bad, we can learn from it, and others can learn from it as well. And so if you have something that's unique in your life, something that's been a message that's been burning inside of you, or maybe you just wonder, what I've gone through, can anyone else learn or benefit from it? God can take all of those things and bless and encourage other people. And you may say, well, other people maybe are more eloquent than me. There's other people that have had my experiences. Why would anyone want to listen to me? Let me just encourage you that you are unique and your message matters. Your life matters, and the message that God has birthed inside of you will be a blessing for someone, because you are unique and you have a message that God wants to encourage others with. And so I want to encourage you to get a copy of the book. Your Message Matters is available now on Amazon. You can go there and buy it today, or wherever you like to go and buy books. Jonathan is also giving away free copies of the book, and I'll put a link in this post here where you can where you can purchase a free copy. So the book is free. Jonathan is giving away a limited number of books for free. You just have to pay the shipping and handling, and Jonathan will it's a physical copy of the book just like this. You order it, you pay the shipping, and it gets shipped right to you. So Jonathan, I just want to say thanks for putting your message out there in the world. It's an important message that we all need to hear. And I'm just so proud of Jonathan. I'm proud to be acquainted with him. I've been through some of his trainings and workshops and how to get my message that I believe God has put inside of me out into the world to others. And I'll be sharing more of that in the future. But I want to just be here today to encourage you to get a copy of Jonathan's book, Your Message Matters. It's a great book for anyone that wants to get their message out to the world, whether you want to profit from it or not. But I believe there are so many people who could have a viable business by getting their message out to the world, sharing it with others, and others can buy your book or listen to your podcast or have you come and speak and share that message sometime. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. I encourage you to get your copy of Your Message Matters today.